Hey, I'm Jim Metcalf. My wife and me own and operate J&C Farm Equipment. We're putting a AH1300 up for sale. I've gone through the mower. The mower's in excellent condition. It's got a new shield on the PTO. We try to send the mowers out with shields on them, not only for safety's sake, but you get in thick grass, it will ball up on the shield, or on the PTO shaft, not the shield, the PTO shaft. And you'll spend a bunch of your day getting the grass off of it, and the traffic's going by and getting me distracted if I try and talk above it. Anyway, this particular one has the kind of hitch on it that I like. You got the roller here, this attachment comes up under the lift arm, then you adjust the chain here to whatever length you want it in to raise your bar up out there. The flotation spring's on it in good shape. I put a new eye bolt in it. This rod here also adjusts the bar. It's in good shape, reinforced. Okay, it's got a good belt. The shoes, these are skit shoes, they're in real good shape, they're original. Got your grass deflectors. It's got the little shield down here that's supposed to help them about clogging up. I put it on there, so I do too. Okay, it has all new double guards. These are new, just all more than they've done is what we're demonstrating here. It has new sickle bar hold downs. That's these things here. That's what holds your sickle in place. There's 7 of them on a 7-foot. Now these are the sickle sections. Some people call them blades, but they're sickle sections. They're brand new. Underneath the wear plates, the hold downs, we got new wear plates. You can't see them, but that's what your sickle bar runs against in the back. And they are new. I bolted the sections in on this sickle. It's a bolted sickle. Sometimes I bolt them, sometimes I rivet them. But this one's bolted. A little bit easier if you break a section. You can a lot of times change your section without having to pull the sickle. Okay, it's got a IH grass board on it. This is the one that's not the bulky one, I call it. I like this one. They're not the other kind. They're good, but they're solid and a little bulkier. I like these, but you know, everybody's got their preferences. Talking about preferences, 1300's my personal favorite. They're just good mowers. When they designed them, they got them right. Oh, let's see, is there anything else? Oh, it's got a new show up here.
Okay.
Yeah. Again, you can't see much of it, but it's got a new letter plate in the outside shoe. That's an important part there. If it's wore off, wore down, then it'll clog. Has a tendency to clog up front. You don't have to worry about it on this, and it's new. And I always replace those if they need it. And I do a lot of maintenance on these mowers for the customers. Getting one field ready and field tested. So I think that pretty well describes it. It's a good mower, needs a new home.
Okay, well, we thank you for looking, and we're signing off for J&C Farm Equipment.